Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman, and I want to talk about the new Katana One material. One of the great advantages of this over Katana STML is that it's higher strength and it's been optimized for use with the prime mill. I want to just look at our first design. This is a crown on tooth number 31, and this was designed with Katana STML. So let's just make our way through, and we can just adjust our model access here just a bit. And we'll get our proposal. Let's say OK. And we'll get our proposal here. One of the issues of Katana STML in comparison to Katana One is that our minimal thickness requirement is different since it's a stronger material. So we can see that we're getting this red proposal, and this is something that we struggle with because now do we need to reprep the tooth? Do we need to adjust the opposing? How do we deal with something like that? And if we look at our fissure height, we have a 1 millimeter fissure height basically. So under our restoration parameters, if we look at our lock parameters, the reason we got 1 millimeter is because that's locked in the system for Katana STML. Therefore, the software had to give us a millimeter, therefore making something red or high in occlusion in order to get it. So if we simply go back to administration and we don't reprep the tooth, we don't adjust the opposing, but we switch to the new Katana One, which again is higher strength. It's been optimized for milling, and we can mill this super fast as well. If we go back to our design phase, we can see that everything is still showing up red, but let's go ahead and hit recalculate, and let's let the software give us a new proposal based on the fact that our minimal thickness requirement for this material is only 0.8. And here you can see we have basically a perfect proposal. There's going to be almost nothing to do for this. The design has become quite simple because we got rid of the red. If we look at our restoration parameters, we can see that our minimal thickness occlusal is now dropped to 800 for occlusal and also 800 for radial. So that increased strength really just kind of plays into the fact that our design proposals are going to be a lot nicer and a lot easier to work with. Thank you.